Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to install PDF Reader in Windows 11. How to do this? Let's start. In this video we are using Firefox as a PDF reader. Firefox is the best software and lightweight software for PDF file. Now search here Foxit. Now you will find its official website. Click on it. On this interface, you will find here download button. Click on download now. On this interface, you will find now select the operating system and now select the language and click on free download button. Your downloading should start automatically. Now go into download section, click on three dots and now click on downloads. Now you can see here downloading is almost complete. It's done. Now click on show in folder. Now right click on this setup and run as administrator. Now click on next button. Accept the terms and condition. Click on next button. Now again click on next button. Now complete this installation by follow instructions. Installation is complete. Now click on finish button. This is the interface of Foxit Reader. Now you can easily read any PDF file by using Foxit Reader. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.